Hello everyone, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen. This is Yemi. Today we are going to be making noodles. The commonest thing teenagers eat, noodles. Today I'm going to be making my ramen noodles the way I make it in my house, impromptu ramen noodles. Concoction and impromptu ramen noodles. What do you need for ramen noodles? Everything is in your pantry. I'm using everything in my pantry. I'm not going out of my way to get anything. You're going to need your noodles, a form of vegetables, anything you have, any form of protein, meat, chicken, anything you have in your fridge is good. So today I'm going to be using onion, red peppers, hot dog, noodle seasoning, thyme, spring onion, red chopped pepper, cooked lima beans, chicken, leftover grilled chicken from my fridge. I love chicken, so I'm always buying reserved chicken or baked chicken. I have baked chicken, any kind of chicken in my fridge most of the time. So let's go. What is the first thing I want to do? I'm going to boil my water and pour it on. I'm using 3 packs of the noodles, chicken ramen noodles. I'm going to use that. So I'm going to pour the water on it for like 4 or 5 minutes. I want it to be al dente. Then I'm going to pour water on it to stop it from cooking, to shock it. Then I put it in my sifter. After which we go into the pot. So this is my frying pan. I put a little bit of oil in it. I have my diced chicken left over, which I'm putting in it now. My hot dog, which is cut in different sizes because everybody like it different. Somebody like it long in my house, the other want is chopped. So I have different kind of cuts of this hot dog. Then I'm going to put my chopped onion in it. I'm going to let it fry for like 3-4 minutes. Don't forget to add your seasoning. So I don't like too much. I don't want to use the 3 packets, so I'm going to taste as I go. So I'm adding one of the noodles seasoning that came with a package in it. If you like, you can add hot pepper, but my children today don't want me to add pepper, so this is what I'm doing. Then I'm adding my thyme, spring onions, and my red chopped bell pepper. I'm going to let it cook down a little bit. Put in my cooked lima beans. Lima beans, I bought it from the freezer. It's already cooked. I love lima beans, and that's my way of eating it. So let's cover that. Let's simmer for like 2-3 minutes. Smelling so good in here. It smells so good, so good. This is so good. Now let's add the already pre-cooked or pre-boiled ramen noodles in it, and that's it. Voila. This takes like 10-15 minutes. You're done with your cooking and you're ready to go. So I have completed my noodles. So you can do the simple way, like in the package, to make a soup or just fry it. But in my house, I try to elevate it to teach my children how to cook, to make simple things more elegant and more palatable, more yumilicious, more sweet. So this is my quick noodles with everything I have in my fridge. There's no big deal, but
Too small.